Hi, I'm John from Cedar Creek Contracting. We're here today in Caledon East where I'm working on a project for a client of mine. As you can see here, we've installed a Flag Stone patio on a concrete pad. It's a random flagstone. A lot of cutting involved on this project. Also with regards to the deck. The carpentry that was here before wasn't substantially correct for the customer's liking, so he's asked me to start adjusting, fixing, and cleaning everything up. So this side's looking really great. This side, not so much. So we're gonna continue on, get that finished and cleaned up for the homeowner. As you can see here, we installed random flagstone on concrete. We excavated the entire area, poured a concrete pad, cut the flagstone, and set the flagstone in cement on the concrete pad. Flagstone is a natural product that you purchase at your stone suppliers. The stone basically comes random sizes, shapes, different thicknesses. Thicknesses basically depending on what you need. You'll basically purchase. This one so happens to be a thick one. But just to show you, when you're actually installing this flag, every edge is cut. You line up the best you can, try to get the majority of your stone installed, make your marks, get everything pre-cut, dry lay it to start, come back, set it in cement. That's the stage it is now, and then we'll come back and we'll point and tool every joint and then give it a big cleanup. As you can see here, we installed a new set of stairs for the customer. The treads were basically a little bit too short for his liking. He's a big gentleman, and every time he stepped off the step, he was basically falling down. So we made it correct, nice and sturdy, solid, looks clean, and the customer is very pleased with the work. When we started doing the flagstone pad, the existing steps here, and given the grade for proper slope on the pad, these steps didn't work. It was way too low. So we basically removed the entire step system, and that's my next project, start building a new set of steps. When I got on the project, the existing original landscaper supplied and installed the steps that you see here. There are some grade issues with regards to the location of this armor stone, which was set quite high above the surface of the asphalt. I recently excavated this whole area, reset these stones, did the pointing work in between the stones, keep erosion from coming through. It gives a nice finished clean look. With the stones offset in line with the step, gives you a nice edge looking up from the road, and an area to actually install planting material in between the two rock surfaces. I designed, installed, and planted the existing planting for the front of the house. We have the Rod Iron railing up along the front porch. The existing downpipe was a top surface runoff. The customer wanted to eliminate freezing water come winter time. I hand excavated around this area, installed solid PVC pipe, trenched it across the driveway into a drywall system on the other side of the lawn, where the water just saturates that area, keeps this area nice and dry. The garden, we installed block retaining wall edge, keeps the garden on the high side, keeps debris off the driveway once this is all asphalted, gives it a clean look, a nice edge, and really finishes it off quite nicely. As you can see here, we actually regraded and resodded the front of the house, along the side, around the back of the house, and actually down the side of the driveway as well. The side of the driveway here, the grade was quite low, and what we basically did was came in and regraded to give a little bit more usable surface area for the customer, and got rid of the huge swell that was here. Any water that came down pooled on this side of the tree, never had a chance to escape down towards natural drainage back towards the road. So this has all been regraded and resodded. The edges we'll be dealing with after the asphalt guys do their paving, and then we'll clean up the edge, make it all nice and neat. This project has come along quite well. We've been here for quite a while. but it's looking great. I'm very pleased with the finished product so far. My railing guy installed the wrought iron railings throughout the property. It's a great design, great look, very heavy duty construction, and completely solid. Okay folks, that's it for this episode. As soon as the project's completed, we'll come by and take some more video. We'll show you the completed version, nice, neat, and clean. And that's it for today. Take care. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. Lots more to come. For more information, check out my website, www.cedarcreekcontracting.ca. That's it for this job. We'll see you next time. Let's ride.